Hey guys, Merry Christmas. Here we go. I got it decorated. I was trying to play some Christmas music on my phone, but it doesn't let you videotape too. So here we go. Got all of my curtains are finished. Got the little pine cones on there. So I don't know if you can see them with the lighting in here. Here's the bed with the beautiful, oh, I got a knee mark. Oh, I gotta straighten that out. Here we go. Straighten the bed. Okay, there we go. Got the new comforter cover on, and we got the pillows. I got some of my decorations. I found some moose right there. I don't know if you can see those. Up there, they were in my studio. We got a bear and Olaf on the bed going around. Sherry got a little new dress just for Christmas. Some Christmas glasses. And I found some rustic looking Santa figures. So we got that. And I got my great tins. Thank you, Laura, for pointing these out to me. And I found my green pot I found for $1.99 at Goodwill. Here we are going back here. We got our rustic plaid pillows and my cups. And I even have a little Christmas tree. You can't see the lights too good because of the sun behind it, but it was just cozy. I shoved my fire down there. There, we need some Christmas. I need to get a Christmas apron or two. And finally, I got my thermoses, my plaid thermoses, and somebody, I can't remember who it was, gave me this plate this past September. But there you go. The inside is all decorated. Merry Christmas.